हेलो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे मज़े में खुश हैं। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। एक खूबसूरत स्पॉट की वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर है। ये है बिलब्रो फॉल्स लुकआउट। यहाँ वाटरफॉल भी है, प्लस ये लुकआउट भी है। ये स्प्रिंगब्रुक नेशनल पार्क में है ये लुकआउट। एज यू कैन सी इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू, एंड फ्रॉम दिस लुकआउट यू कैन सी स्टनिंग व्यू ऑफ द गोल्ड कोस्ट. So these are the buildings, Gold Coast buildings, and as you can see down there are a lot of hills. I'll show you the waterfall also.
Oh, thank you. Hold this.
ये लुकआउट है पीछे। ये बेसिकली पहाड़ है जिसके ऊपर ये लुकआउट बनाया हुआ है। ये वॉक ट्रैक्स भी बनाए हुए हैं। एंड दिस इज अनदर लुकआउट, एंड you can see the beautiful buildings of Gold Coast from this viewpoint, and it's quite steep. I don't know whether my mobile is capturing that view or not, but as you can see it's quite steep from here. It's a lush green forest, beautiful view, and look at this steep fall of the hill. It's amazing. Beautiful spot in the west of the Gold Coast and south of Brisbane. And then from here you can see the sea. So basically this is the sea. I'm not sure how far is that from here in kilometers, but yeah, it's a beautiful view. It's a lush green forest. Wow, look at the trees. Wow, beautiful, amazing, massive size. Look at this massive tree. Wow. And this is the waterfall, as you can see, and this is the beautiful view of the hills. It's quite steep, as you can see from. So they have some sheds over here where you can have a lunch with your families. It's the walk track, and this is the water going all the way to the waterfall. Today it's not this rushing. Last time when I came here it was quite heavy flow of the water, but yeah, it's a really beautiful spot. You can have a barbecue. They have a barbecue facility over here. You can do the barbecue over here. Look at this water coming from the hills, and that is going all the way to the waterfall. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your time, and take good care of yourself, and bye bye. Allah Hafiz.